Extending a Farmax file out to 2 years allows you to begin planning for next season early and see the flow-on effects of decisions made this season. To prepare your Farmax file to be extended, you must first make sure the file is in short-term mode and is only 1 year long. If your file is already 2 years long, we recommend saving a copy for your records and then selecting Tools and drop the first year. Click OK to confirm. At this point, you may need to go through and right click and then delete mobs that are no longer on farm. And then check that all mobs have their birth year next to them. If they don't, you can right click and then rename and add the birth year. Press enter. If you don't add the birth year in, you may end up with multiple mobs with the same name, which could cause confusion when you're extending the file. To extend the file, select Tools and then extend 1 year. You can set up the template for next season based off the file you're currently using or a separate file you've set up as a plan for next season. For this example, we'll use this file. Click Next. Now you'll need to define the template for next season for the blocks and the mobs. For blocks, this sets up the planned pasture growth rates, cropping and nitrogen events. In this case, we'll set up next season's plans for the hills and flats based on their performance this season, which will automatically be set to the default template. For each mob, you'll need to set up a template and a name. The template is used to describe how the mob will be managed next season. For example, next season the bull calves will be managed the same as the 1 year bulls were this season. If there is no relevant template, you can set this as none and add the forecast events later. Finally, make sure that the new name of the mob next season is correct. For example, our mixed age ewes will still be called ewes, however the ewe lambs 2018 will be called ewe hoggets 2018. Again, these are usually set by default, but you can click into the name and type a new one. Select Go. You'll see the dates change at the top right screen of Farmax, and you can use this to either look at seasons individually or you can extend out to a 2-season view. You can now go in and update the last season and create forecast events.